Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.
So, when you ready now? Cause that's why you have them something, you know. Them call evidence. So if me did this, I would accept some of this. Listen to this. I say, Foota Musiq, look, you see it? Everything where me I read there, so. I say, don't try the wrong and strong thing. At Spice official, give them back the money, find excuse, you're not broke. See? Me know it hurts, say the international market. Now give you the respect and glory where you deserve. Listen what me say now. Because me don't know how you pick up this as a diss. It show you how illiterate people is, and she even 10 times more illiterate if you follow Uno and say somebody this her. Read it over again. See? Don't try the wrong and strong thing. At Spice official, give them back the money. Find excuse. You're not broke. Me know it hurt, say the international market now give you the respect and glory where you deserve. Meaning me, I say she deserve it. See? True, you know look Spanish or close to white like Achensia them, and them still now go give you it. Don't lose yourself trying to win that battle. Don't destroy dancehall morality to please your insecurities and your ego. It's not too late to cancel the show and save your integrity and your career. I love you. Do the right thing. Message she post and write says she never want to be no Spanish or no white. Me never say you want to be that. Me say that's the reason why them not propel it to the top, and you not no control over that. You not no control over that. And them now put you where you fit there because you're not Spanish or look white. You understand? So I don't understand it. Who know I follow me for years? I want to know when me are these people. You understand? Well, I'm a black person. Yeah. So, me can look upon all of me thing them and say all of me thing them. She has said, yeah, so, what me I say now? Oh, is this disrespect? Oh, is this tear down? She said, everybody has Spice Ketchup. She said them are tear her down, right? Everybody, I try to tear me down. You pay for damage my page. You team up with your friend them, make them derail my page. And who tear down who? You go out of your way to make them disable my page. But somebody will tear you down. Foota Hyper try to tear you down when you go as far as get your people them and you to take away my page. And in a less than 15 hours, you give me 24 hours, and in less than 15 hours the ancestors them get back the page in full effect. How is that? Who are tear down who? Me hate when people say this. Me hate when people say, you know her, why you never call her and talk to her. When she get the offer, she do a show we go against our cultural values, our music and the Jamaican energy. Why she never call and ask me? Call her and since she know her and say, hey Foota, what you think about this? She know what she had to. She know the backlash we are going to come. She know the consequences we are going to come. She know everything where I go come with it. You think say when she take that book instead, she don't know say it go public, and she don't know say everybody not gonna agree with it. She was prepared for that. She prepared to destroy anything when she have a career. For that, she knew what she was doing. It's not accident. You don't take a booking by accident. You don't sign a contract by accident. So it's not like a buck-up thing. Alright, I'm show them people are dumb. Wanna say why me never call her? And me I say she could have called with one. Wanna say no, who am me if nobody's call? They don't me this over here when I watch. If me and nobody, why not watch me over here talk about Spice? Who you over here watching nobody? All me I say is Spice, here I go. Me and you bridging over the years. See? And you know, like how me know, say you cannot win this one, you know. So here more you do. If you're quiet and a peaceful life, me I want you. Me I want you. Drop it here. Stop it here. Here. Stop it here. Do not let the followers them boots you up for the embarrassment. Don't do it. See? My honesty to God, admire your kids them, and I know the impact of certain things can have on people, and it don't go away. See? Once it goes in a social space, it now come back. So here, I am not the type of person, see, where you can threaten or intimidate with nothing, because you don't have nothing. I guarantee you that. Me on the other hand, I can, listen me, Spice, just leave it here. It would be best if you do that. It would be best if you do that. Okay? People will say, oh, female and rare, and may I give you the benefit of the doubt. You see, may I drag my foot all long, and you talk about things and may I hold it. But I forgot to them report that page there. And nothing when me say, me not disrespect that lady, right? Oh, see it here? We want to listen back when me say, see? Because we're going to be as fair as possible. See? We're going to be as fair as possible. Because I deal with a female and she have kids. Yeah? So we want to deal with it as respectable as possible and as understanding as possible. Because our son, Nicholas, and our daughter, Tai, have a future. And I don't want to be the one to really make them have certain impression of them old ladies, see? So, yeah, man, I don't live now, we don't worry about that. A hotel, me now, you know you have to have money for living in a hotel, so we are right with that. This is what I posted, and listen to me very carefully, and people want to tell me if me wrong, see? See? In all my 20 years, as an established product of Jamaica and dancehall and reggae music, this is the first time I feel completely defeated, ashamed, embarrassed, weak, betrayed. In my subconscious mind, I was confident that two people I would never live to see do this was Spice Official and Akron Godzilla. See? This now drives a serious fear in my consciousness that all hope is lost. This has become the new thing for dancehall artists, the new norm for our culture based on what I see going is that moral values are no longer important. The only thing that matters is money. The preservation of our music, culture and righteous values don't count. Honestly, On the name of the Almighty, I was banking on hope that no matter what, at Spice Official would never give in to something like this. I guess I was dead wrong. This is a big L for the ancestors of Jamaica and the music given to us by the Almighty. Money has officially poisoned and crippled our industry. Well, maybe this is a ban show. If not, would be sad that Spice Official wouldn't consider the well-being and career of her DJ after this. She ma kill me, God no. What? Oh, me this Spice, that's all? More somebody tell me if which part in this me this are. Like, which part in this me this are? Can everybody else say, you're this are? Oh, me this are? I mean, hear some people say, me this bounty killer. How? I say them are the two people them when me never expect to hear nothing like this from. Me never say killer do nothing like that. You understand? So we're in this conversation with this are. We another something me this are. What the raggedy me say? Yes sir. Me I try understand, you know. Oh, me I stop our bag. Only now get it. Where is the disrespect? If Spice come out and I go so hard, she not pay nobody else to say nothing on mine. It's man me post the video with Mataran. I speak or him feel. She not answer Mataran either. So it look like she have some secret for me. So she go so and she go 24 hours to apologize and blah 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 blah. She and her little minions them. She and go make them report and them this man come a page for a couple hours. And the ancestors them go for my page and free back my page. So big up the ancestors, them righteousness shall forever live. See? So what me I say is now. When I go say me unfair now, when me go up on fair level. What? You see, because it's a female and it's a mother, that's why me I go so. See? So when now she come out with her disrespectful thing, like I know me this you know. Me say me disappointed, me embarrassed, she shouldn't take the bookings, I mean not change that, I mean I apologize for that. That can never change. See? No, you know, me no disrespect her, you know. Remember, me could have said a million things already, you know. And me can Spice know, say me know her from Wappy Kill Philo. See? Me know her long donkey years ago. Me know about Newland and Neagle and the wholesale and me know everything. I can't talk about it. I've never done that. Now she put up post. I was thinking for her. Me think of something serious here come. Then she go, you wear clothes. Where? You understand me I say? Okay. You know me don't really like talk behind people back. On the tag Spice. Tag Spice. Tag her. Tag Spice. Remember me and Spice are the Bridget, good friend. Me and I never have a bad day. On the tag her for me. Tag her for me now. Tag Spice. Me know she over here watch, but she watch from a different page, right? I want you tag her. When you tag her, make sure she come with a real page. Yeah, please. Yeah, wait, Bonez. I want to talk to her and find out what the real issue she have with Foota, because it can't be what I say, because I know this are all now. And before I start this I want to try understand how she are dealing. You want to know me, you know? Me bear something long until them push the wrong button, you know? We see it happen more than one time already, you know. Big name entertainers feel like, okay, we can style Foota because we have more followers and we have more money than him. Cannot. You cannot diss Foota. Cannot happen. You not say leave the lady. Me not diss her all now. She violate the code of the culture. And me say what me feel. Respectfully say what me feel. And she gone all over the place and style the thing. So I like, you know, tag her. Because me not like chat behind people back. Book time busy way. Me book too. Up on the road, me then I work. I work all the way I work. Never she have her phone, man. She can't join the live, man. No, me just a straightforward youth, you know. More, you know, what I like, she just join the live away. Cause no found her dare me. Cause no found her hypocrite, you know. When I over spice, when I say, when I beat Foota, when I over yes and I beat spice something. And then when I DM, I say, Foota don't do that with the bigger person. So make me a reason now to think now. Anything she want to talk, she talk. Anything me want to talk, me talk. Cause me just a level playing field, you know. Me just want, anywhere she bring it, me can bring it. She step up the disrespect them, I can step up my own them. Come here, have one heap of thing. Ammunition, enough over here. You know? So, I wish you deal with me, I deal with. Oh, are the light skin thing on Shensia? Alright. Okay. I'm glad me have this in now. Because when I say the light skin thing, right? So that means me have this, alright? Alright. When you say the light skin thing, right?